Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
We are talking about time. When you talk about time, there are days of the week you go to school. We need to learn the spelling, the days of the week. How many days are there? There are 7 days. Each day has a specific name, and that name has to be learned. It's the name of the day, therefore it has to be written in capital letter. So we are going to do days of the week. Days of the week. Name of the days of the week has to be written in capital letters only because it is the name. Now, how many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. And the beginning of the week is Sunday. So, the first day of the week is Sunday. It has to begin with the capital letter Sunday, Sunday. The next is, the second is Monday. Begin with capital letter Monday. Okay. And the third one is, after Monday comes Tuesday. Tuesday. After. After Tuesday comes Wednesday. Capital letter begin with Wednesday. And after Wednesday comes Thursday. Begin with the capital letter. Thursday. After Thursday comes Friday. And after Friday comes Saturday. What day comes before Saturday? Friday. What day comes before Wednesday? Tuesday. What day comes before Monday? Sunday. So we should know the order. Okay, that is days of the week. Next we need to know the months of the year. Now there are 7 days, then it will become 1 week, 4 weeks, then months. 4 weeks make 1 month. Now how many months are there in a year? 12 months. Again, names of the month should be written in capital letter. And we must know the spellings correctly. So next we are going to do months of the year. What are we going to do? We are going to learn months of the year. Months of the year. How many months are there? There are 12 months. How many? 12. So we're going to learn the 12 months of the year. Now, what is the first month of the year? January. So that is number 1. The first month of the year is January. It's the name of the month. It should be capital letter written always. January. What month follows, comes after January? February. What follows, what month comes after February? March. What month comes after March? April. What month follows April? May. And what month follows May? June. That's the time you go to school. Alright? Next. What month follows June? July. And what month follows July? August. What month comes after August? September. What month comes after September? October. And what month follows October? November. And what is the last month of the year? December. What is the last month of the year? December. Now, here 7 days and here 12 months. Now, each of these months, the number of days differ. That we must learn. Not only the name of the month, but we must also learn how many days are there in each of the month. Okay. Now, which is the shortest month of the year? February. Normally, 28 days is the shortest month at the January, that is February, and for leap year, 1 day is added here. Sometime in every 4 years, February will have 29 days. The first month of the year is January, and how many days are there? 31. Normally, January has 31 days and February 28. Now March. Okay. Now March, how many days in the month of March? You look at the calendar, you will know 31 days in March. Now, some months have 1 day less. Okay. Now April, how many days are there in April? 30 days. April has only 30 days. Now, what about May? May has again 31 days. June, how many days June? Again 30 days. Okay, how many days? 30 days for the month of June. Now, July. How many months in July? Again, 31 days. August, 31 days. September. How many days in September? 30 days. How many? Then, how many days in October? 31 days. November. How many days in November? 30 days in November. And December you have 31 days in November. In December. Now there is a song for us to remember. There's a little poem or song, whatever you call it. 30 days has September. The song goes like this. 30 days has September, April, June and November. This is the 30 days. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February, which has got 28 days and 21 in the leap year. 29 in the leap year. Say it again. 30 days are September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February, which has 28 days and 29 in every leap year. So that's how you remember whether 30 days or 31 days. Alright? So there are 7 days in the week. Spelling should be learned. It begins with a cap letter. It's the name of the week. Months of the year. There are 12 months of the year. It always begins with a cap letter because it's the month of the year. What is that song? 30 days are September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February, which has got 28 and 29 in the leap year.